Hello Olympiad aspirants. Welcome back to the YouTube channel of F2S Olympiads classes. Here I will help you in Olympiad preparation as well as you are going to get the updates and detailed knowledge of various Olympiad exams. We are going to start an Olympiad preparatory series for grade 5 to 7 for mathematics. We start with the preparation of Silver Zone Mathematics Olympiad, where I will teach you to solve the comprehensive book of Silver Zone. In this book, every chapter contains 40 questions, which I have divided in three-part videos of 14, 14 and 12. You will get two videos every week for your respective class. To get the updates of these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with the worksheet questions. Grade 7 Silver Zone Comprehensive Book, Chapter 1, Number and its Operation. Question number 29. Video part 3. Which one among the following is true? Root m plus root n equal to under root m plus n? No. A root on a number cannot be added. It can be multiplied. If it is the rule of the exponents, a to the power m multiply by b to the power m equal to a multiply by b to the power m. It can be possible. Here power is half, but a to the power m plus b to the power m cannot be a plus b to the power m or cannot be a minus b to the power m. So option B is the correct answer according to the rule of exponent. Question number 29, answer will be D. 30. 3.2 plus 2.3 plus 5.7 equal to what? Actually, these are the recurring decimal. So to add these decimal, first we should convert it as the fraction. So 3.2 can be written as 3 by 9 and it can be written as 29 by 9. Okay. Now 2.3 can be written as 3 by 9 and after conversion into the improper fraction it will be 21 upon 9. These are the recurring decimal actually. Next is 5.7 recurring. It can be written as 7 upon 9. To remove the recurring, we put 9 as the denominator, which will be after converting it as the improper fraction 52 by 9. Now add all these three. 29 upon 9 plus 21 upon 9 plus 52 upon 9 equal to 102 upon 9. Now since answer is in the decimal, to convert this fraction into decimal and you will get 11.33333 dash 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 means 11 point recurring 3. That is in the option number B. So 38th answer will be B. Question number 31. If m equal to, right here first to solve it, minus 28 plus 26 plus minus 28 plus 26 plus 26 it is plus minus 28 plus 26 up to 40 term. So we can see here we can make a pair minus 28 plus 26 minus 28 plus 26 minus 28 plus 26. How many pairs we can form? So since there are 40 terms, so we can make 20 pairs. And minus 28 plus 26 equal to minus 2. And there will be 20 pairs. So minus 2 multiplied by 20 equal to minus 40. Next is your n equal to 39 plus minus, I'm just writing 35 plus minus minus it is. Okay. Again plus 39 plus minus 35 plus minus minus 35 plus dash 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 up to 40 term. So if you see, there is also a pair of 39 minus 35, 39 minus 35 up to 40 term. It means we can make the number of two terms like this till 20 term. There will be 4 multiplied by 20. So 24s are 80. Now question is asking for m minus n. So m minus n means minus 40 minus 80. That is your minus 120. It is in the option A. So 31 answer will be option A. 32. A equal to this, B equal to this, find A minus B. So I am writing option A, A equal to minus 1 to the power 1. So it means it is minus 1 plus minus 1 to the power square. It means it is plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1. If on minus 1, if there is odd power, then it will be minus 1. And if there will be even power, then it will be plus 1. Okay? So minus 1 plus 1. Again, it will be minus 1 plus 1. In this way, we can make pairs. We can make pairs dash 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 up to 1000. Up to 1000. We can make pair up to 1000. So minus 1 and plus 1. Okay? This is the pair. But one more minus 1 to the power 1001 will be there. Because there are 1001 terms. Okay? So this will be, but minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. So up to 1000 it will be 0. Up to 1000 it will be 0 and plus this will be minus 1. So A, value of A is minus 1. Come to the value of B. This is minus 1. So to the power 1 it will be minus 1. Then minus again minus 1. The square, that will be your plus 1. Plus 1 means minus 1 minus 1. Then there will be plus and it will be your minus 1. So plus minus minus 1. Again next term will be your plus 1. So term is making minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 up to 1001. Minus 1 to the power 1000 I am writing, and then I am writing minus 1 to the power 1001. So you can see we can make 500 pair of 2 minus 1s. So this is minus 2 and we can make 500 pair because there are 1000 total terms. So minus 2 multiplied by 500 and again minus 1 to the power 1001. It means minus 1 it is. So it will be minus 1000 minus 1, that is your minus 1001. A equal to minus 1 and B equal to A equal to minus 1, B equal to minus 1001. So A minus B equal to minus 1 minus minus 1001. That is your minus 1 plus 1001 equal to 1000. Option B. The 32nd answer is option B. 33rd. The LCM of two number is 1800. Which of the following cannot be the HCF of the LCM of these two numbers? So there is a relation between HCF and LCM. LCM should be completely divisible by HCF. LCM should be completely divisible by HCF. So which number cannot divide 1800 here? So we can see 400 cannot divide 1800. So 33rd answer will be option C. Question number 34. Which among the following has the least value? देखो तो to find the least value, first convert it in a fraction. So it is your 36.005. So we can write 5 and we can put 30 here. ठीक है, comma. Now I am removing the point from the numerator. So 360 upon 50 and 000 will be there. Okay. Now I am removing the point from numerator and denominator both. So 36 divided by 0 and it will be divided by 5. Okay. Next is your 36 divided by 500 and 2 zeros. So take the LCM of these. So LCM of these will be 50,000 only. So for making 50,000, we have to write 36000 and there will be 4 more 0. 1, 2, 3, 4 upon 50000. Okay. Now it will remain same. So I'm not going to write it, but it will change. So 360 and we have to put 4 more 0 here to make the fraction equivalent. And now we have made all the fractions with same denominator. And if we have all the fractions with same denominator, so we can see which one is the biggest. This one is the biggest, means this one is the biggest, means this one is the biggest. Okay. D. Why? Because they are asking the least value. They are asking the least value. This is the biggest one and this is the smallest one. 34th answer, option D. 35. Question number 35. How many 3 by 5 kg pieces can be cut from a cake weight 6 kg? So this number of cake we have to cut from it. It means if we remove number from any number repeatedly, it means there is division. So it means 6 divided by 3 by 5. That is your 6 multiplied by 5 by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. Option number B. 35th answer is option B. 36th. Solve this one. 1 upon this. To first find the improper fraction of it. So 3 4 by 5. I am writing here 1 upon 3 4 by 5 means it is your 19 by 5 plus 1, 38 by 7, multiplying the denominator with the whole number and adding the numerator. We are doing this one. 1 divided by, it is your 57 by 16 plus 1 divided by 95 by 18. After reversing 1 divided by this, so it will be, we have to write the reciprocal, 5 by 19 plus 7 by 38 plus 16 by 57. Now 18 by 95. Okay? Now we have to find the LCM of these numbers. So LCM of these numbers will be 570. So we have to make all the denominator as the 570. So to make the 570, its numerator will be 150 plus 570. This numerator will be 105 plus 570. This numerator will be 160 minus 570 here. So its numerator will be 108. Okay. Now add 150 plus 105 plus 160 minus 108. So you will get 307. 307 upon 570. That is in the option B. 36th answer is option B. Come to question number 37. Taking today as 0 on the number line, if we to first make a number line, make a straight number line, try to make a straight number line, make a number line, 0 will be here, and take today, 0 is today. Okay, so if day before yesterday is 11 May, so day before yesterday, it is today, so this will be your yesterday, and this will be your day before yesterday. This is your 11 May. Then what is the date? 2 days after day after tomorrow. So 2 days, 1 day, 2 day, after tomorrow, this is your tomorrow, then 1 day and 2 day. 1 day and 2 day. It is 11 to 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. It should be 16th May. 37th answer is option B. Next question, question number 38. Isha and Angelina participated in a hurdle race. The race was conducted in 7 parts. In the first part, Isha lost by 10 seconds. In the second part, she won by this minute. Third part, Angelina won, but she lost in the fourth part and won by 1 minute in the fifth part. Sixth part, Isha won, and last part, Angelina won by 20 seconds. Who won the race finally and by how much? So first find the Isha's points. So Isha in the first part she lost. Lost means minus 10 seconds. Then she won. So in 1.5 minute there will be 90 seconds. We will take the same unit. Okay, minus 10 plus 90, and then she again won by 8 seconds plus 8 in the sixth part. Okay, and I think rest part is won by Angelina only. Okay, so 98 minus 10, 88. 88 second. Now Angelina. Angelina's points are your won by 25 second, then lost by 15 second, then won by 60 second, means 1 minute, and then again won by 20 second. So you can, after calculation, you can find 90 second. Okay, so Angelina won by 90 second. So Angelina won by 2 seconds because she won by 88 second and she 90 second won. So 2 seconds. 38th answer is option D. 39. A multi-story building has 38 floor. Just made 38 floor. Okay. Above the ground. Level of height 7 meter. Means one floor is 7 meter. So total height is 38 multiplied by 7. Okay. It is also 4 floor in the basement. It is also 4 floor in the basement. Okay. Each height 6 meter. So 4 multiplied by 6. A lift in the building moves at a rate of 2 meter per second. Okay. If a man starts 170 meter, so here from suppose somewhere 170 meter above the ground, how long will it take to the third floor? Actually, that man has to come to the third floor. It means 3 multiplied by 6. So how much time he will take? Okay, so total distance he has to cover. Total distance he has to cover equal to 170 plus 3 multiplied by 6. That is your 6 3s are 18, 170, 180, 188. Okay, 188 meters he has to cover in with the speed of 2 meter per second. So time taken will be time taken equal to distance 188 upon speed. So 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8, 94 second. 94 second means 1 minute 34 second. That is in the option A. So 39th answer is option A. 40. In a test, 4 marks are given every correct answer and minus 1 marks for every incorrect answer. 0 for not choosing any answer. If Yasika secured 110 marks in the test having 40 questions, which among the following can be a possible of making correct or incorrect answer by her? ठीक है, तो suppose check the option A. First option A में 28 correct answer means she got 4 marks for each one and 2 incorrect. So 2 multiplied by 1. ठीक है, so that is your 28. 4s are 112 minus 2, that is 110. Option A can be the correct answer. Let's check the second one also. 29 for 4 minus 6 multiply 1. So this is your 116 minus 6, 110. I think option should be D. Let's check the third one also. 30 multiply 4 minus 10 multiply by 1. This is your 120 minus 10. That is your 110. So all can be the possible number. Option D. 48th answer will be option D. Okay. Hope you understood all the answers explained here. If so, please write yes in the comment section. I have provided the link of PDF note of this worksheet in the description box. You can download it from there. And if you want to practice more such questions, you can download our app from the Play Store and can buy the test series of your respective class. Thanks for watching.